Oops! Ayun. Good day, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Again, this is your man, MacD. Crypto for Emergency Stream. Yes, thank you for watching. Yeah. Again, sana you are in good condition and in good predicament as of the moment. Yeah, we'll be having the stream since there's a prize action, and definitely yung Thursday stream natin. Watch out for our Thursday stream. That will be our trading Thursday stream, and we will be talking about crypto updates na rin. So that's fundamental uh, analysis, technical analysis. So again, guys, thank you for dropping by. I'm sure definitely you will be entertained as we are doing this stuff. Oh, di ba? I am looking at the screen right now sa ating mga supplements watching around the globe. Good day, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good whatever is your time at the moment, because we have our time zones around the globe. So this is a good thing for having a stream about the chart. Oh man, I'm gonna share my chart, guys, and the Thursday stream. Watch out for that one. I'll be posting the third yung ating stream. We will be having a stream on Thursday, and I think that Thursday na stream will be so much far out, and definitely the market is on the move. We have a draft of Bitcoin on 102k. That's around 5 million pesos, I think. No, let me check conversion of crypto at the moment. Let me check this one. How much is in peso? Yeah, guys, we will be having a emergency stream. It's a good time to buy. Again, and this is for educational purposes only. So if you have bought the dip, definitely congratulations. You have made the right decision. I have bought the dip, so I am running out of dry powder. So at the moment, yeah, the exchange rate of the US dollar is around 57.20. Let me check. Let's try to. I think nagmahal 58 in GCash, around 58 when you have a USDT. USDC around 57. So if you wanna buy some USDT, USDC is much cheaper when you convert peso into USDC. Yes, thank you everyone for dropping by. Again, this is your man MacB Crypto. We'll be having a chart today. Kasi yung merong nag-message sa atin. Check lang natin. Yes, Ma'am Donna, thank you for always supporting our chat. And sana natanggap mo na yung ating t-shirt a while, no? Binigay yung we have dropped by dun sa inyo. And our regards to King Don. Yes, Mayong Udto. Good morning. Oh man, look at this chart. So guys, you have question, check dun sa ating muna ha, sa ating tawag dito, sa ating social media accounts. We are live sa ating YouTube, sa X, and sa Facebook, no? So sa Facebook, that's MacB Herms. Sa X, that MacB.pls. And sa ating YouTube, that MacB Crypto, the Yield Maxi. So check it out guys, yung ating mga SOCMED. O sa atin mga nanonood sa ating mga SOCMEDs, good morning. We will be having this emergency stream. Yeah, this is just for educational purposes. It is the best time to buy as the market is down, no? So those are the things na dapat nating maintindihan. So dito I'm having a sana. All right. Yeah. You will be sharing our screen sa ating mga sakmed at check po na natin to. Si Hi Sir, maadjong udto. Salamat ka sa free t-shirt. Yes, welcome. Ma'am Donna Riz Kubangbang. Thank you ma'am for commenting and joining this ating conversation sa atong Facebook. Good morning, good noon. Mayong pagpapaniud to nato diha. And yeah, we'll be sharing our screen. Let me try to share my screen. All right, let me share it, guys. Look at this beautiful chart of ours. Oh man, you gotta love it. You gotta love it, right? The market is on the hit, no? Hit meaning it's taking a hit. We are down, right? And maybe sooner or later we'll be having also a heating up. No, mag-iinit na naman ito kasi we have a price down at the moment. So stay tuned, guys, as we will be sharing our chart. No, our chart again. This is for educational purposes only. So yung Thursday stream natin is parang matagal na. No, it's gonna be a long day. Looking forward. We will be having a stream on Tuesday and on Thursday. So check it out yung ating guys, look at this chart. Oh man, you gotta love this chart. Look at that. So at the moment, you can see yung ating chart. Alright, you gotta love this, man. You gotta love this. Oh yun, I think this is our main support at the moment, no, itong at 100k level. So you could move this one, no, around 100k, 101, right? And yeah, check this one out. Oh man, yeah, we have been, you can see my cursor. I hope you can see my cursor. Oh, this one. Yeah, we are on the M shape. This is on the daily, by the way, guys. So this is on the daily. Look at that. All right. Look at that. Look at that. So we are having this M shape, and yeah, definitely, I think with the Middle East conflict, and sana matapos na yan para the market can go up. Definitely, the market is moving into the oil stocks. Now they are buying those stocks. We have an increase in our prices at the moment, and when the oil is up, and all our basic commodities will be up, our rice, everything. There was a joke in the community. Yeah, magmamahal po or mamahal po atong mga Coke. So nag-i-stock na daw sila ng Coke. Careful out there. So I was just kidding on the stream, and yeah, diabetes is waving, and yeah, kidney problem is waving, ganon. So sana makita niyo yung ating chart na ito, guys. You could really see the M. It's emming out itong chart na to, and we are touching down back at the 100k level. So 100k US dollar, no? 100k US dollar. Let me check this one. Oh my, how much is at the moment? That's 5.7 million at the moment. Yeah. One Bitcoin is, sorry, that's 5.7 million. Sorry. I stand corrected. That's 5.7 million, right? That's 5.7 million per Bitcoin. So, yung Bitcoin is the father of them all. Where Bitcoin is going, the market, the altcoin market will be going there. But by the way, yung aking altcoin is yung Bitcoin. And my main coin is ito yung aking mga main coin, right? My Bitcoin is my altcoin. Yeah, my Bitcoin is my altcoin. So, where the altcoin is moving, which is Bitcoin, do not be confused. All right, sana makita dito, and yeah, wrap BTC, wrap ETH, and dito yung ating PLS on the 5-minute chart. It is up 0.18%. On the 1 hour, 4%, 0.44%. On the 6-hour chart, it is up down 3.12. On the daily, So yeah, definitely if you have bought this dip, saan kayo to pupunta? I keep my charting very, very clean. So ito guys, yung ating mga chart. Ano? So at but this low, this could be the support, no? And this is the, if you gonna look at the wrap pulse or yung PLS, yung pinaka L1 natin na token, look at that. Look at that. You are on, this was last May 15, or should I say May 13, when we launch, right? So this is a weekly chart. So you're seeing this on May 15, but definitely it was May 13 we launched. So on the weekly, you could really appreciate yung downtrend ng ating crypto, ano, or yung ating the chart of the WPLS. So it's been down. This one, you could really see the trending down, right? So this is a trend line. So I'll be putting here trend line. Sana ba yun? Check again, guys. Yeah, line. This. Right. Wait lang. Been trending down, and let's see kung saan to aabot yung ating trend line. If this trend line will be broken down, so you need to have that 2 touch points, this one. So first you have this. You have this one. All right. And this has broken out, no? Ito yung touch point natin. It did broke out on the weekly. Itong trend line na ito. So we have this one, but it didn't broke out on the weekly, no? So if you put a trend line, this one. So this is for educational purposes only, guys. Para makita natin kung saan tayo, no? If you are buying dips. So if you have bought this one, definitely if you're gonna go up on this level, which is 0.000 apat na 091. So we will give you the figures later on, right? So ito yung mga chart na akala ko we will be breaking these levels. But yun, let us delete muna natin yan. So it's a beautiful chart. Look at that. This trend line here has been broken down on the daily, right? This is a weekly. So if you're gonna check back on the daily, sandali lang. So yun, it has been broken down, right, on the daily. Ito yung trend line on the daily, but on May 27, this trend line going up is going into the downside, and the market did try to recover from here. Looking at the analytics of things, people really love to trade. So yeah, we're doing this for educational purposes only. So you have to decide when to buy, or what is your entry price if you are gonna speculate on the market. Yung ating hop crypto, or yung ating hip hop crypto, yung HEX, INC, PLS, and PLSX is of real use case. Ano? Meron siyang real use case. And on top of that real use case, meron tayong mga speculative din na market, no? So, pwede naman kasing walang speculative market, but the market will be very boring. Wala kayong makikitang gumagano'n na chart. Baka konting up and down lang, or yung volatility na sinasabi. So, this one, we are broken at one, and we are down. So, this was during the merong war kasi, right? This one. During this time, there was a war or a imminent conflict in the Middle East. And yun, they try to broke down on the downside. So PLS is trading around, today is June 22. And the absolute bottom was around, if you follow this, is around apat na zeros, 1.7. So that's in the daily, right? And if you try to zoom out on the weekly, you will appreciate itong chart na ito. So we had been trading for this quarter, April, May, June. So we'll start with April, May, June. So on the second quarter of this year, so this one, ayun, ito. April 1, we tried to broke out DAP, and there was a war, or there's a conflict in the Middle East right now speak. So kaya nga meron tayong emergency stream for crypto. So when I say crypto, that's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Hex, INC, PLS, and PLSX. So those are the cryptos that we are trading at, or we are looking into. Ano? So yeah, look at that green candle on the daily for the WPLS. So some of my onboards, dito sila nakabili on this level. And you can just imagine trading this one. But we will never know if you are really in the market all the time, right? So definitely, yung sinasabi ko with my previous streams is yung you try to hodl things and you try to borrow against your asset. That's the long-term goal of this one, right? There's a real use case of crypto, especially if we will be having a law. Now, they will be taxing the crypto space or yung ating mga crypto gains. Again, just remember, you will be taxed, or it is a taxable event when you try to sell. But if you try to borrow against your asset, that is not a taxable event. So remember, tax avoidance is okay, right? But tax evasion is bad. That's not how you do this thing. Tax evasion is bad for your health, right? So check lang natin, guys, if meron pa kayong mga messages, i-check natin. Si Donna, sandali lang, guys. Check natin si Ma'am Donna. Sir, nindot daw ipalit kay barato man. Yeah, indeed. Zero balance to. Lagi zero balance. Oh, sige lang. Oh, mo na gitawag na itong PCA. You heard it from me, right? You heard it from me for the first time. PCA, that's peso cost averaging. Kasi in the space, we call it DCA, or dollar cost averaging. The meaning of that one is to buy every time there's a dip in price. So that is averaging. Every now and then there's a price drop, you try to buy on the dip, so you will have an average of a good entry price, right? So you try to average, even averaging of your ibig sabihin, if you have bought, no, you have a 100,000 money, and you bought every time there's a dip, then you have an average entry price of between the, for example, if you have bought at yung 100,000 mo is divided into three times, then every time there's a dip, you buy, there's a you buy, then there's a dip, you buy, and then natapos na yung, naubos na yung ano mo, 100,000 K mo, yung $1,000 plus. 100,000 is like around, how much is that? 80,000 pesos at the moment. So you will have a good entry price kasi you have, divide mo yon, every time there's a dip, you divide it by 3 times, you're by 3, and you have a average of that one. So that is when you say cost averaging, right? So yeah, definitely, ito pa yung message ni Ma'am Donna. Ma'am Donna, mayong udto diha og sa atong family, no? Ang family circle. Congratulations to your dad. Hi, Ma'am Lori C. Good. Yes, indeed. Hi. Yeah, pwede nimo ipakita ang t-shirt, Ma'am. Ma'am Donna, you could post doon sa ating comment section sa ating Facebook, no? Yung t-shirt. So everybody will know kung ano yung kagandahan ng t-shirt. And doon sa ating marketplace, you could buy the t-shirt para naman maitulong natin, no? With we will be doing some charity tours. But at the moment, we have mga limited supply of that t-shirt. So yan lang muna yung ating nasa ating marketplace, sa ating Facebook account, sa MacB Herms. At meron pa tayo ibang mga t-shirt na we will be putting out on our marketplace. Yeah, we will be accepting payments for that one once ma-accept. That is about the t-shirt, ha. It's not about crypto coins na walang ganyan on this I am talking about when you try to buy a t-shirt, then yeah, QR code will be provided. But as of the moment, wala. Zero balance, yeah, indeed. So, mayroon ba kayong mga comment? Check na natin. So, yeah, guys, if you ask me why we have this emergency stream for crypto, it's because there's a dip in price. It has been dipping, right? It has been dipping. And if you have an extra dry powder, and yeah, try to save it in crypto. And meron ding you could buy USDC and USDT, and you could speculate on the price para kang isang forex ano rin, exchange, but be careful in doing that. I'm just telling you the facts na pwede mong gawin, but I'm not saying that you have to do it, right? So I cannot you have to decide on your own if you are gonna do that, right? So yeah, let me check back on our chart. Tanggalin lang natin tong weekly para maganda yung ating daily charting, right? On the weekly, let's go back on the weekly. You could really see that it's been going down, right? It's been going down. This is a trend on going down. Look at that. We've been going down, and itong chart na to on the daily, is maganda sana if sandali lang. Maganda sana if we could broke this one. And yeah, interesting on July, August, on the third quarter of this year. Let's see saan pupunta itong the entire crypto market. BTC, Ethereum, yung ating hip-hop cryptos. So look at that one. And sa ating ibang mga technical analysis ng mga chart. So this is yung ating MACD. Look at that one. Let us see if this will have a reversal, or yeah, be careful on this one, right? So baka tayo, it could be a reversal on this one, right? So as you can see this one, there's a reversal moving up, this one, and yeah, then we try to go back down. So let us see if this could trend up again and go into new all-time lows, or mga tawag dito, lower lows kumbaga tayo ngayon right? Lows. Ito yung low natin, you have a lower low at the moment. See, let's see if we could do some highs in this one, and lower maybe we could go on the upside to this one, right? Yun. So 0.00302 2073, or yun yung ano niya sandali lang, check lang natin tong ating yeah, meron pa ba? Merong mga nag-comment. Yeah, thank you Ma'am Donna for commenting. Yeah, magandang bumili. Definitely, Sir, nindot daw ipalit kay barato nakaron. Ja, kay zero balance sa one. Yeah, indeed. Zero balance. So, ibig sabihin, nakabali na sila, and they are trying to PCA, but we don't have any dry powder at that moment. So this is the what is Ma'am Donna is saying. Sir, it's good time to buy, but zero balance at the moment. So that is what Ma'am Donna is telling about. So if just yan yung ating PLS, no? And dito sa ating chart, this is the RSI of WPLS. You could see we had been check lang natin to. So ibig sabihin, if you are here, this is in oversold territories, right? And this is on oversold territories, and this is in overbought territories, right? So maganda sana if on the weekly this could go down, but ma-appreciate natin tong chart na ito on the daily, right? It is on overbought territories on the daily, right? So you could appreciate this chart. Ito dito, it is in overbought territories. Yep. Saan kayo ito pupunta? When you have an overbought territory, then saan yung next move? Yeah, right? So it will be interesting kung saan pupunta tong market na ito. Ito. Alright, so yun. Itong side na ito, if we are going up, and yeah, the market participants who are speculating on this one, right, can definitely bought on the low and sell on the high if you want to speculate, right? So it is an open market. People can do whatever they want with their money, understanding what they are doing right now. If you try to speculate in the market and you know what you're doing, then you have that freedom to do so, but you have to manage everything personally, right? So for me, personally managing your crypto and your trading is the best way to go, right? So I am not offering any parang you'll be sending me money and be doing the trading for your. I don't have a signal channel for that matter, but meron tayong mga kasama who are doing that stuff, and yeah, and meron naman silang mga risk management na sinasabi doon, and you have to take it with a grain of salt. That's the best advice I could give to the community who are into this, who want to join mga signaling. But if you wanna trade it personally, if you wanna trade personally and you have the confidence to do so, then understanding chart is the best way to go, right? You have to understand the fundamentals of things. Kasi you could hear people telling ya this could be going, this could be baka mawala, right? But if you understand yung ating hip crypto, you have that use case, no, in which you could have decentralized stable coins borrowing against it, and all other DApps that is built on top of the Pulse Chain network. That is a yung volume pala ng Pulse Chain is saan tayo? Check lang natin yung volume before going to the other chart. Ito guys, ito pala yung ating RSI pala. So before going into the volume, so going into the volumes, ano ba to, bakit this? Going into the volume. So what happened? Yun. So ito guys. So if nakabili kayo dito, ano? So look at that. Ah man, that is the right time to buy, you know. And every time there's a dip, you could PCA, peso cost averaging on this one. Yeah, let's make this one transparent. You could do this naman eh. Namaos na ako kasi yesterday we had a stream with Sir Roland. So I don't stream just crypto, I do stream fitness, health, and mga medical science since I am in the medical profession. So those are things that matters to me. And those are the subjects na rin we are doing on this channel or sa ating page, sa ating channel, on my personal Facebook account. Yeah, those are the things na we are giving value to the community, right? So crypto, health, fitness. Yeah, I do also love to ride bikes, motorbike. I have a KTM. So we have the Crypto Chill Rider na group, right? Ito yung aming t-shirt. And one of these days, what's for this guys? Ito aming t-shirt. Sandali lang. Pakita ko lang yung aming t-shirt. Yeah, pakita ko lang yung aming t-shirt. Yeah. Pakita ko lang yung aming t-shirt. Alright. Nasa na yan? Yeah, pakita ko lang yung aming t-shirt. Yeah, that's the We Ride for a Cause Crypto Chill Riders, ano? So yun, yan yung ating Hex, PLS, and Ophir. So I think last year, or tama ba, last year, we did have a charity event. We ride around our area, and after that one, we bought 3 sacks of, I think, 2 sacks of rice, I think, doon sa ating municipal police station, and we have given some doon sa mga incarcerated or yung mga PW, person deprived of liberties, or PDLs natin. Person deprived of liberties, yun yung tawag sa kanila. So definitely watch for this shirt guys, as we will be printing this one. And if meron kayo mga orders for our shirt, no, it is a dry fit one, na t-shirt, no, maganda siya. Maybe going to rides kasi madali siyang madali siyang tawag dito, wag dry fast, right? So it is a dry fit. It is good for mga mga maiinit na mga travels and in sa mga ano na rin, going into beaches, right? So yun. So ito yung ating chart. Yeah, definitely look at that one. It's a good time to buy. And moving on sa ibang, oh, look at that. RAP PTC. Next is yung ating, the INC token is, yeah, the INC token is very, having a very wild ride on June 17. It was opening, right? It has an open of like 1.42, and it has a low during this trading day. The low of this one guys, ito yung I'm saying, right? Ito. Ito yung ito yung parang ano niya, opening and close, right? Yung tinatawag nating OHLC natin. So, yung opening price niya during the trading day was around 1.42 US dollars, and it has a low of 1.34. Then the price goes up around $2 on the day. On this chart, is so massive green candles na nangyari on this day, right? And it been trending down at the moment. And on the daily, so ito yung anong RSI natin. So hindi pa siya on oversold territories, right? But definitely there's something cooking with the INC token. So every now and there's a dip, people are buying it, right? So it could be a speculative one, but yeah, I think you could use your INC dun sa ating INC printer and loan against your asset, right? You could loan against your asset para hindi tayo matax. If there will be a law that will be passed sa Congress and will be approved by this by the cameral parang dalawa kasi yung ating, we have Congress, we have bicameral kasi na parang dalawang tawag dito, bicameral, should I say committee, right? And you have that itong bicam na to, meron tayong Congress who will initially there will be lobbying from the Department of Finance to tax crypto, right? And pag ma-approve yan sa Congress, it will be we have that to the Senate, and also when it is passed to the Senate and approved by the Senate, by our senators, and it will be moved up into the executive branch, which is the president, if he will try to veto that one or approve everything. So yan yung mga ano natin guys, tawag dito, dapat nating maintindihan sa mga bagay na ito. So yun, these are the things na dapat nating maintindihan. So maganda if you guys can do these things, right? So guys, if may kayong mga tanong, just comment sa ating comment section. Bakit meron tayong emergency stream? Right? Bakit meron tayong emergency stream? Oh man, may Googie, what's happening? So sa mga nanonood sa atin sa Facebook, yes, good morning, good noon. Sa atin sa X, maayong udto. I think most of these people who are watching sa X are mostly internationals. You could comment din sa ating YouTube, right? You could we have a YouTube channel, right? So you could comment din doon. Macby Herms, yeah, definitely comment, and tulad dito. Ito. Wad Ma'am Donna. Yes, maadjong udto. Mahadjong to. Thanks for the free t-shirt. Yup, indeed. Yun. Yung free t-shirt. Yup, indeed. Welcome. So sa INC mo na nahitabo, right? And saan pa papakita natin? Ito. So, yun yung ating calculator, right? Ito yung ating mga website, Piteas. You could, that's the decentralized exchange. So, yun, yung PLS folio for your portfolio needs, right? Ito guys. liquid loans, you could loan against your asset. Ito yung ating isa sa ating mga assets, right? We have the INC printer. Yeah, you could loan out your INC. No, you could loan out, you could borrow against your INC. Ito yung ating pinaka main DEX, which is yung ating Pulse X, right? So yun, ito yung ating pinaka main na DEX. So nakigamit muna tayo with this one. Check lang natin. Alright, sandali lang guys. So ano pa ba? Ito yung ating, let's check dun sa ating chart again. Ito yung INC natin. Let's check the price sa ating pilas. Tapos na tayo dyan, right? And the hex, itong hex na ito is yung pulse hex natin. Definitely it's also on trending down, right? It's been trending down. It's an overbought, oversold territory is like on the month of December 2024, on the weekly, on the daily, yun, I think it is going up. On the daily, ma-appreciate natin yun. Natin itong chart na ito that we are on the green, on the red. I mean, there's a bounce on this one, and we are on the red on the daily. But yeah, we have a good bounce on this level, right? We are on oversold territories. And on our MACDs, yep, I think we could have a reversal on this one. I think all of these charts are still on the dependent on our altcoin, which is BTC. That's my altcoin, the BTC. Last but not the least, we have our ito. Alright, look at that chart. Alright, we have a bounce also. So I think if you ask me, this is for educational purposes only, just sharing my chart, and buying dips is the way to go, and that's how you win in crypto, right? If you wanna speculate on price. But what I'm saying has been always on the fundamentals of this stuff, right? So since most people really love to trade and to see charts, so kaya meron tayong Thursday trading and crypto updates. So watch out for that one, guys, and we will be updating the community, yung ating Pulse Chain community, for the latest updates. So yun, those are the things na kailangan nating maintindihan. So tapos na tayo with our dito pala, you could understand, you could really see if you want to understand stuff, and yung ating mga liquidity, right? So with this one, at saka yung trading volume. So yung WPLS, yung PLS, we have at the moment we have 2.2 million of volume as of 12 noon, right? So yun. And check natin yung kanyang liquidity. So yung liquidity nito is nasa 4.6 million. So actually it was lumiit ito itong liquidity for the entire market, right? So let's check yung ating V1 for the liquidity. You have to understand liquidity, right? Yun. It has over 500 million liquidity as of kailan to? December 7, 2024. And we have a low liquidity environment at the moment. If you do understand the stuff, if you have a low liquidity environment, and it is much easier for price to go up, you have to understand these things. Liquidity, you have a low liquidity environment, you have a lot of slippage that's gonna happen. You have low liquidity, and definitely it's much more easier for price to go to all-time high. So yun, this $500 million of liquidity, right? $500 million. You can just imagine how much is one in peso, right? So yun. Isa pala is maganda pala itong Liberty Swap, Liberty Swap, if you could have a You could easily swap USDC in Arbitrum, Base, and Pulse Chain directly into Pulse Chain. Ito, it has a 1-to-1 ratio and only 0.3% na fees, yung protocol fee when you try to exchange that one. So just for example, if you wanna buy, if you want $1, and if you have a $1 of USDC on the base protocol or yung second layer, yung L2 ng ating tawag dito ng ating Ethereum chain, so it is much more easier, no, to trade over here. I mean, not easier but cheaper to trade, no, or to have transaction fees. Cheaper transaction fees on the L2, and yun, you could have much more bang. You have much more na exchange, no, bang for your bang for your buck, ano. So $1 for 0.99, this 97, 0.997. So with your $100, you just have 99.7. So only $0.3 dun sa ating, when you go from USDC base into directly into Pulse Chain. It is mga alternative bridge natin going into the Pulse Chain bridge, or yung ating, kasi yung main bridge natin is medyo matagal siya, like 30 minutes yung kanyang processing time, but with Liberty Swap, just like 2 seconds, almost instantaneously, right? So ganon, at the moment meron na siyang limit of $2,500. So yan yung lang limit na, and we will be looking into this project kasi they are new, ano. So meron na silang USDT at sa susunod nilang mga iteration of this project. So yun guys, yeah, sana maganda, ano, itong ating mangyayari. So definitely sa Thursday we will check this one out, guys, kung ano ba nangyari with the chart dun sa ating hip-hop crypto, yung HEX, INC, PLS, and PLSX. So ito yung ating PLSX chart. So maganda siya. He is on yung ating napakagandang RSI. Look at this one, right? So it has a bounce. It is on oversold territories, right? Ito dito, right? Ito yung kanyang oversold territories at the moment. Ito yung laman. Let's see if you can do reversal dito sa atin, yung ating MACDs, the moving average, convergence, and divergence. So check this one out, guys, para you could have a good entry price. You could do PCA, peso cost averaging. So check muna tayo dun sa ating mga SOCMED if wala bang mga tanong. Woof! Wow, ganda. Ganda ng ating, check muna natin dito sa ating mga SOCMED. Busy yung ating messenger. Busy. Yes, Atin, thank you for the like and pag heart. Thank you for dropping by, ma'am. Yes, a Thursday, by the way, they were liking, and paki-share na po ninyo, palihog, paki-like, share la, paki-heart, no? So thank you, paki-share po. Yun, thank you. Wala dito, right? So sa ating messenger, check muna natin. Yeah, shout out there sa MKG team, no? Sir Bansay for the I know nga sir, you guys are having a parang company event or team building event. Thank you guys for sa pag-adyo sa atong internet connection. So thank you, Ninjo, no? Mabuhay po ang MKG team. No, thank you. Yeah, let us check this one. Try to yeah, let's try to check This one, yung ating mga ano, yun yung ating mga all right. Yeah, tapos na tayo with our chart. Ano pa ba? Yeah, definitely. Meron tayong mga YouTube tutorial, no? For the Pinoy Pulse Chain community, we have a Globe Gcash, no? Or yung Gcash going into the internet money wallet na parang video tutorial. You have to buy BNB there and you have to use the change function from BNB kung nandun na kayo sa internet money wallet, then swap that BNB into Pulse, and bahala na si internet money wallet to do the changing behind the background using the route of routing through change now, right? Change now. So one thing to consider is yung Liberty Swap. In the future, maganda yung swapping na mangyayari doon. So yun guys, yung pwede natin gawin for this for these activities for the people na tawag dito, to buy on the low, right? That's how you do things, buy low and sell high. So check natin yung daily niya. Let's try to this one. So we did have a good bounce, right? On the daily with the PLS, on yung wrap PLS natin, we did have a good bounce on the daily. So the low was around 0.4023 and high at the moment, and the current price at the moment, ito yung C, no, is 2433. Meron siyang high kanina around on the daily June 22, 2499. So yun guys, I think wala na tayong mga tanong, and saan ba tayo? Live tayo sa ating YouTube channels. Sa ating YouTube channel, we are live. That's MacB Crypto, the Yield Maxi. Sa X, that's MacB Crypto, macbcrypto.pls. Then sa ating Facebook, that is MacB Herm. So we are also live. Then we have mga partners, yung ating page na mga fan page natin, na mga partners natin, no, yung macbcrypto.philippines. Yeah, thank you sir for helping us in spreading the word. Yan yung ating mga ginagawa sa SOCMED to people to understand kung ano ba tong crypto na ito. Definitely merong speculative part of this one, but it's much more of a short term, no? If you wanna speculate on the basic fundamentals of crypto, yung gamit nito, there's a parang market of this one, yung speculative market. If you wanna have a good entry price of this one, if makabili kayo on the good entry price on yung buy low sell high, then you could borrow against your asset. Yeah, you could trade that as part of the market, right? So it is you who will decide if you wanna trade this one. At the end of the day, it is you that will decide if gusto nyo mag-trade on these things. So yeah, ito yung mga ano natin kanina, nag-message si Ma'am Donaris Kubangbang. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, meron din siyang message kay Ma'am Loris Herms, maayong utos sa tanan. Alright. Let us check dito sa ating ano. Ayun, alright. Let us customize things. Ayun. Great. Maganda. I think tapos na tayo dito sa ating parang emergency stream. Alright, wala na tayong mga tanong. So, tapos na tayo. with our stream for today. Thank you guys for dropping by, for sharing, for liking. And ito yung ating market at the moment. You are kind of jittery, ano? TLDR of things, the market is kind of jittery. And we will stop sharing our screen now. So the market is kind of jittery at the moment. So we will never know kung uh, bukas or sa Thursday will be going up. But definitely the market will just be here. So you could see the liquidity, pinakita ko kaninang Pulse X. So thank you pala, nakabaro tayo dito sa ating yeah, maganda. At yung aking is parang out of order eh. Kailangan ko pang ayusin. So yun guys, pag wala na, sandali lang. Ayun. Let us check the screen. Yun. Yeah. This is you can scan the QR code dito sa ating taas, yung pulse chain natin na And check out din guys yung ating mga merch, no? We have our merch na pwede natin, you can scan the QR code doon sa ating mga merch. Let me just try to show this. You can scan the QR code guys. Ito yung ating mga merchandise. No, we could scan the QR code. That's the top wallet and the hop natin na mga cryptos, the t-shirt that is selling around 369 pesos. At we have also a hardware rental sa ating mga online activities or mga online events na wala kayong magandang internet connectivity. You could check out itong ating MacB Crypto Merchant Rental. You could scan the QR code at pupunta kayo dun sa ating FB Marketplace. If you don't have any good internet connectivity sa mga events or sa isang mga special location, could be gaming, whatever you want, this one is you can scan the QR code and check out the listing natin dyan sa ating Facebook account. So sa atin namang, let me check this one. Yun yung ating mga tawag dito, ating mga merch, no? At sa atin namang mga kasama sa Compulsion Coffee, the best frap in town, check them out guys sa shop nila sa Hinunangan, Southern Leyte. And the best pizza in town, that's Juliana's Pizza nila Ma'am Tin. Ato ni silang mga kaubanan sa Hub Crypto Community. Yes, Juliana's Hill, the best pizza in town. And Lucia Hill for your goods and services. Check them out also at Silago, Southern Leyte. You can scan the QR code and you will be redirected doon sa kanilang FB page. And siguro that's it for me for today's stream guys. Sana meron kayong you get some tidbits and information and have added value to your crypto journey. And sandali lang, merong message dito. Ayun. Wala pala, sorry. Check lang natin to guys. Ayun. Right. Someone did scan the QR code. Yeah, thank you for scanning the QR code. Yeah, thank you. Check out yung ating mga merch, no? Sa ating Pulse Chain community here in the Philippines. Good noon. And it is Sunday here. And medyo mainit, Medyo mainit yung ating panahon at the moment. We are around 31 degrees Celsius as of the moment. Yun. Sige, pag wala na, check tayo sa ating salamat sa nag-scan sa ating QR code, Thank you. If you have mga questions, If you have some mga orders for our listing, definitely reach out to us, DM us, PM me, and we will answer your queries, and send your mga tawag dito, mga orders sa ating mga merchandise. So, checking back sa ating merchandise, please support our ating mga merch, no? Kasi this will help us in continuing. I am not paid by anybody, anyone from the community. This is just me doing my stuff. Doing it on my own volition to help the Polson community reach its goal. No, this is not a security token. I am not also, itong mga QR codes na ito, by the way, are not, tawag dito, are not crypto wallets, right? So, yun. So, ito yung ating rental natin sa ating hardware natin with our mobile Starlink, no? It's a mobile plan, so anywhere within the Philippines we could bring this one, but we are limited dito sa ating area, maybe in Southern Leyte, So Sugod Bay, you could contact Sir Ngungoy, no? Ngungoy Pagpagitan, one of our colleagues in public service. Alright guys, if wala na kayong mga tanong, check lang natin dito. So yun, pinakita ko na kanina. Scan the QR code, and buy yung merch. Ito yung merch at ito naman yung ating rental. Sige, pag wala na, pinakita natin yung chart. Yeah, salamat. Yeah, it's good to have this kind of opportunity na we can have this stream to parang emergency, kasi parang to ano na lang the community. So just lang guys. So nothing to be afraid of, to panic about. Right? It's just saying na yeah, it's a good time to you have a good entry price. That will click that buy and sell button, right? So please be very very wise in choosing and be to understand things entering into this kind of market. Sa ating mga nanonood sa ating Sokmen, magandang tanghali, good noon, and good evening on the other side of the world, the other part of the world. So we are reaching out to more audiences now with this kind of mga platforms. So check out, sa Tuesday pala, we'll be having our guest, si Sir Neil, an OG Hexican, para maintindihan natin kung anong nangyari sa kanya dun sa kanyang hack account. Kasi para siyang nakalimutan niya yung mga basic things to do with our wallet security. So please be very very careful guys with our mga crypto wallets. Yung crypto wallets is basically yung pinaka-gateway into crypto. You need to have a crypto wallet, and that crypto wallet will be connected into the blockchain with our internet connectivity. So ganon, it's much more easier for us to trade, to do this mga basic na mga fundamentals of having crypto decentralized apps. No, you could borrow against your asset. You could have Hex, which is a time deposit on the blockchain. What else? You can trade the speculative part of the market using our Pulse X natin na decentralized exchange, in which people can try to exchange, kanilang mga tokens, and ano pa ba? Basically, watch out for that one guys. Tuesday, 5:30 in the afternoon, we will be having our guest, at siya na yung magsasabi kung what really happened. Kasi minsan it's taken for granted yung ating mga wallets na baka ma-hack and ma-drain yung account mo. So pag-usapan natin yan sa Tuesday, and on Thursday we'll be having a market update again. So for this time we were having this parang emergency na stream, or a tawag dito hindi naman emergency, meron ng panic, right? Para lang siyang immediate stream na kailangang i-stream kasi we have a good entry price. So I have bought the dip. I don't know with you guys, at the end of the day it is you who will buy the dip. So this is a good entry price. Again, this is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Pag wala na kayo mga tanong guys, again, this is your man, Mac Crypto, and thank you for watching.